guys, it's Salvo Productions and welcome to part 6 of Yoshi's Island. In this part we're gonna do 1-8, the end of World 1. Salvo the Slime's Castle! Okay. Here we go. This castle is the end of World 1. Isn't that great? If I don't die, that'd be great. Okay. Okay, what's the point of this water? No! Darn it. That was bad. No, I don't want that. Darn it! No, I don't. There we go. Oh my gosh. Okay, there. Okay. It's time to eat some Shy Guys and produce eggs, because that's what men do. Okay, how many do I have? Let's just say, okay, I have a lot. Now let's just go up here. I'm not gonna do 100%. I mean, I'm just gonna ignore most of the things here, and yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh no! Oh my gosh. I already can see the future. Me still doing this level 10 times. Oh. Oh jeez. I'll stay here for a second. Yeah. How am I gonna do that? I already know you have to hit a switch. No! Get to me, baby Mario! Jeez, that baby can get annoying sometimes. Okay. I already see this level being a jerk to me. Okay. No! Okay. I got that. Now, I'm not gonna go through there again. I'm gonna have to do something else. Oh, red coins. What's this? Oh. Oh, good! That means I don't have to do that part. Sweet. There we go, I'm past that part. Now these things are not spiky. And yeah, I'm gonna get this flower. And okay, here we go. What is this? Oh, what's this? Okay. Okay. Alright, we're at the boss level. Sweet. Already? That's amazing. Okay. What are we going to do now? Uh-oh. We're gonna die. Oh, that's so cute. Hey there, cute little Yoshi. You want baby Mario? Does baby Mario want to go to Bowser's castle? I'll take him from there in a hurry. Yeah, okay, here we go. Magic. Shut up. Okay, there we go. Oh my gosh! What is that? Oh, it gives you something edible. Sweet. That's nice. Thank you, game. All right. Oh no! How am I Wow. No! No! How could I... Oh! That was such an easy battle! Oh, I jinxed it. No! No! Ugh. Jeez. Game. Game. Okay, we're back up here. Darn it. Wait, do we have any eggs? Oh, we have eggs. Okay, that's good. Okay. I thought we didn't have any eggs. Okay, let's get through that again. Okay. Okay, here we go again. Second try. Yeah, basically this boss is not hard. I mean, it's simple, and I don't know how I died in this level. I mean, this boss can't even kill me. Whoa! What just happened? Glitch! 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 What? What? What just happened? What? 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 What is a glitch? How many times does this game have to glitch on me every time? I mean, a glitch? What? Wow. Alright. That was weird. Okay, it's time to go to World 2. Wow. Boom! Yay! A big Y flag! Even though I'm still surprised that glitched on me, but okay, World 2. No. Okay, World... Yeah, I accidentally did on... I copied it onto file A. Okay, so, next time we'll be doing 2-1! And yeah, see you guys next time, guys!